Sparkling clean bathrooms and kitchens are a joy to behold. The gleaming surfaces reflect light beautifully, creating a sense of freshness and hygiene. But hard water stains can quickly dull even the shiniest surfaces, turning your pristine spaces into a cleaning nightmare. Before we start cleaning, please take a second to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. These chalky white deposits are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. They can appear on faucets, shower heads, and even glass surfaces. Hard water contains high levels of minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals are what cause the stubborn stains. When water evaporates, it leaves behind these minerals, creating unsightly stains that can be tough to remove. These stains are not just an aesthetic nuisance. They can be incredibly frustrating to clean, often requiring significant effort and time. Over time, they can actually damage your fixtures, leading to costly repairs or replacements. The buildup of minerals can clog faucets and shower heads, reducing water pressure and affecting the functionality of your plumbing. In extreme cases, it can even lead to corrosion, severely damaging your fixtures and pipes. Fortunately, you don't need harsh chemicals or hours of scrubbing to get rid of these stubborn stains. There are effective, natural solutions that can help you restore the shine to your surfaces with minimal effort. Hard water stains are notoriously difficult to remove with ordinary cleaning methods. The minerals bind tightly to surfaces, forming a crusty layer. Simply wiping or scrubbing often proves ineffective. Commercial cleaners can be effective, but often contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals can be harmful to your health and the environment. The good news is that there's a simple, natural solution that works wonders: white vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid, a mild acid that effectively dissolves mineral deposits. It's a safe, non-toxic, and inexpensive alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Plus, it's readily available in most kitchens. White vinegar is a powerhouse in the fight against hard water stains. It's a natural, safe, and effective way to dissolve mineral deposits without harsh chemicals. For this simple hack, you'll need just a few common household items. Gather these materials: white vinegar, a spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, and an old toothbrush, if you have one. That's it. No need for expensive, specialized cleaners. This simple hack is easy on your wallet and the environment. Banishing stains, a step-by-step guide. Now, we will walk you through the process of removing those stubborn stains that can make your bathroom fixtures look dull and dirty. Ready to reclaim your sparkling fixtures? Follow these easy steps and you'll have your bathroom looking brand new in no time. First, fill the spray bottle with white vinegar. White vinegar is a natural and effective cleaning agent that can break down mineral deposits and stains. Next, spray the vinegar liberally on all affected surfaces. Make sure to cover every area where you see stains or mineral buildup. Let the vinegar sit for at least 30 minutes or longer for those stubborn stains. This waiting period allows the vinegar to break down the deposits effectively. Then, wipe away the loosened mineral deposits with a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are great for this task because they are gentle yet effective. For hard-to-reach areas or stubborn residue, use an old toothbrush to scrub gently. The bristles can get into tight spaces and remove any remaining buildup. After that, rinse the surfaces thoroughly with water and dry with a clean cloth. This step ensures that no vinegar residue is left behind. Your fixtures will be sparkling clean and free of those pesky hard water stains. You'll be amazed at the difference this simple process can make. Repeat this process regularly to keep your bathroom and kitchen gleaming. Consistent maintenance will prevent buildup and keep your fixtures looking their best. Prevention is key, keeping hard water at bay. Hard water can be a persistent problem, leaving unsightly stains and mineral buildup on your fixtures. But don't worry, with a few proactive steps, you can keep your home looking pristine. While this hack makes removing hard water stains a breeze, prevention is always better than cure. By taking a few simple measures, you can avoid the hassle of constant cleaning and keep your fixtures looking new. Here are a few simple tips to prevent future stains. These tips are easy to follow and can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Dry your fixtures after each use. This simple step can prevent water spots from forming and stop mineral deposits from building up. Wipe down faucets, shower heads, and sinks with a dry cloth to prevent water spots and mineral buildup. Use a water softener. A water softener can significantly reduce the mineral content in your water, making it less likely for stains to form. If you have hard water, consider installing a water softener to reduce mineral content. Regularly clean your fixtures. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your home free from hard water stains. Make it a habit to clean your bathroom and kitchen fixtures weekly with vinegar to prevent mineral buildup. Vinegar is a natural and effective cleaner that can dissolve mineral deposits and leave your fixtures sparkling. By following these tips and using this simple vinegar hack, you can enjoy sparkling clean fixtures without the hassle of hard water stains. Your home will look cleaner and more inviting. Leave us a comment below and tell us about any of your own remedies for hard water stains. We love to hear from you. Remember, a little prevention and a splash of vinegar go a long way in maintaining a sparkling clean home. With these easy steps, you can keep hard water at bay and enjoy a spotless living space. Thanks for dropping in to spend time with us today, and we will see you soon in our next video.